Since 1886, John Blue Company has been synonymous with quality and reliability in agricultural pumps. Our legacy is built on the hard work and demands of farmers, while innovation and quality engineering drive us forward. The John Blue EZ-Meter injection pump elevates irrigation efficiency. Lightweight, robust, and designed for effortless operation, it's the ultimate solution for moving between pivots. Now with new easy-to-grab handles and base, plus available VFD, it meets all your fertigation and chemigation needs with superior quality. Proven to run dry without damage, the EZ-Meter is unmatched in durability. Easy to use, easy to move, easy to service, and built to perform. John Blue, a legacy proven in the field.